This is going to be October Night and Zombie Cat. October Night is written by Donna, Rhodenizer, and Zombie Cat is written by Nikki, Loney, and Donna, Rhodenizer. Howling dogs and hissing cats, hooting owls and silent bats, embers from the fire fly up into the dark night sky. Ooh, ooh, these are things that bring delight in this crisp October night. Moonlight plays with autumn leaves, shadows dance and then they freeze. Songs are whispered by the wind, creatures of the night join in. Ooh, ooh, these are things that bring delight in this crisp October night. Moonlight plays with autumn leaves, shadows dance and then they freeze. Songs are whispered by the wind, creatures of the night join in. Ooh, these are things that bring delight. It's Halloween tonight. What's that sound? What's that sound in the dark out